Police.
No, story now. Are we gonna like questions that there was like consequences of the school because of the what happened? But
What are you doing here? What are you going?
to the nursery. So it's just suspended, yeah.